It's a 180SX with a VH45DE engine.
Today we're fixing the fuel system and the seat bracket for the passenger side. So Bear has the most annoying welding set ever. Beautiful welding, not beautiful welding. It sucks.
No lah, it's okay lah. 200 ringgit machine, what?
Hit me, I can throw right now. I'll throw the machine right now.
Bought this car last week. So we had our good friend Kevin here to help us out a lot. So wait, okay, I have to do the door. Have to increase the door, this one a bit. So we change the seats.
Oh, seat already changed.
Yeah. So for our size lah, for my size lah. But y'all also can see it. But this one got railing, not like the S15 is locked. So Kevin, you can see, is doing the other side of the seat. We added a fan here to pull out all inside smoke or what. And also create a vacuum inside so air can come in lah. And we bought fuel tank, surge tank, fuel pump too. So this is a very good surge tank. Kevin is the one that actually recommended us this tank because the fuel pump sits inside the tank. This sits outside. Then this fuel pump sits inside the surge tank.
So this is the
Old fuel tank.
old fuel tank.
So this I think is 20 liters. 20 liters right now.
Yeah, 20 liters.
So we upgraded one to 30 now. So we don't have to come back. Plus this tank has a sensor for the fuel meter. All Shopee lah. This car, a lot of cheap stuff. But the AN fittings are original lah.
Budget lah, budget.
AN fitting original lah, bro.
Oh, wait. Oh,
So the fuel
nice.
meter. Remove this window.
Remove this whole thing.
Yeah, we're gonna put a fiber and we're gonna put it here. So when we park, the crew can see, oh, got fuel, no fuel. Easy ma, we no need to tell ma, bro, the car no fuel lah, car starting to pump.
Chill lah, bro.
So we'll be also changing these headlamps. We'll be changing them to LED headlamps. Maybe we will use the small strips and then close the eyelids a bit with a smaller strip. Kevin here is still doing the fuel system.
Nice angle, bro.
So I'm a drone.
Now we're gonna check our friend's Corona because this morning we did a class with the car and 2 hours in and the car has a knocking sound. We suspect that it's the con rod, but we want to inspect and see what's the real issue here. Same like yours, ah?
So this one what we do, we take out the engine, because I got engine stand here. Take out, then you have to strip the whole engine or we just change that?
Check the bearing. If you pull one new bearing, see the clearance missing out. The clearance now, no need to take out the engine.
Just pasang the bearing lah.
On top.
Now we are waiting for a very important component to arrive. Abang Bateriku, thank you for coming.
No, you got air.
Oh. Sa? Another project that we'll be working on is the K70. This is the car that started us into drift for me and Bear. And this car, we've been using it for around 2 years, I think. So far everything is still good, but the body needs some repair. Some rust patches, a big hole in the passenger side, and also some holes that we need to work on. I also bought a lot of stuff. For example, the front bumper, side skirt that will be fitted to this car. It's a little bit unorthodox. It's a design that is inspired by Kevin, and we'll be doing his style on this car. Let me know in the comment what color should we paint this car. Instead of buying the original aircon, I decided to add an aircon gantong. Basically a classic car air condition for this car, but I'm still finding the compressor. Engine is okay. There's a trumpet that I was talking about. There is one missing. And I think the new ones is already at my house right now.
Okay guys, so I don't know if you all know me, but this is I think I have around 4 or 5 cars. So this is one of it. This is my daily drive E36. So modification what I'm done is like the most no one will ever do is adjustable is using from Proton Vira adjustable. So I modify for myself Proton adjustable because the original adjustable costs around 2000 plus, so Vira adjustable around 700 only. So it's the cheapest way I go. So this is my daily. Recently the wiring burned. It was automatic transmission, so I already bought manual transmission already. So next my plan is to manual swap it. So you can see body kit is from Safiro, I think Uras kit. So I have another E36 drift build, that one soon to be here I guess. So that one was RB25, something happened, so later on we will tell you. And I have a K70 also, I think like around 2 or 3 K70. And then a rear wheel cancel, and I have a Vira, like a time attack and drag car. So you can see on this car, my cars are in this channel soon.
Tesla holds it down. You're not sad again, are you, splashgvng?
Now we are at Luster Car. Play drift cards. Now we are back at the HQ.
CGHQ.
We have an announcement to make. We have a new member, Kevin. So Kevin, you got anything to say?
I happy to say, I guess.
Oh, not happy lah.
Happy.
So it's a sad news, but we just gotta push on, guys. Thank you for watching today's video, and I hope we can do more videos like this for the future.
Okay, so now my camera with me ready. So a lot of things we have to do. In the next video, you guys can see these both cars. See the E92 plus the S15 there, and the E92. So so we will be doing a vlog on these both cars soon. The E92, which is Bullseye's one, and my prized possession is this S15.